Welcome back. Now that you know how an increase works, let's move on to round 2 for Octavia. For this round, we're making 6 increases, 1 in each stitch of the previous round. By the end of the round, you will have 12 stitches in total. Find your next stitch and insert your hook underneath the top loops. Make 1 single crochet. Now take your stitch marker and place it under the top loops of the stitch you just created. Go back into the same stitch and make another single crochet. That makes your first increase. Go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. Without moving away, insert your hook into the same stitch again and make the second single crochet. You now have 4 stitches left. Work an increase into each of those stitches to complete the round. And this is what round 2 should look like once all the increases are done. Let's count the stitches together, starting at the marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Insert your hook back into the working loop. In round 3, make 1 single crochet, then make an increase. Repeat that sequence 6 times. You should have 18 stitches at the end. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook under the top loops of that stitch and make 1 single crochet. Place the stitch marker back into this stitch. Now make an increase into the next stitch. 1 single crochet. And another into the same stitch. This completes the first sequence for round 3. Let's repeat that sequence one more time. Into the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Into the following stitch, make an increase. You repeated the sequence twice. Now you just need to repeat it 4 more times. By the end of the round, you will have 18 stitches total. Now continue with the rest of the rounds for step 7 of your plushie.